Summer is here, it's beautiful, we got sun, a little bit of shade. If you find yourself relaxing by a pool, you know how tough and big a pain it can be to keep that pool clean. We got robots for everything else in our life. Why isn't there one that can take care of all that heavy lifting? The why is no more. With this video sponsor WYBOT, meet the S2 Pro, the pool cleaning robot that can do all that for you.
So before I get to everything that WYBOT can do, and it can do a lot, let me give you some extra spending money this summer, maybe a little vacation, extra drink, special gift for your special somebody in your life, or thank you for supporting the channel all these years. Good chance to win $500. All you gotta do, leave me a comment down below, tell me a dad joke, tell me a fact about yourself, tell me your favorite feature about the WYBOT pool cleaning robot. Be sure to either leave their social handle in the comment or a way to contact you on your YouTube page. If you win, give the video a thumbs up. We'll let this run for 10 days, open to anyone on this beautiful planet. All the information that will be down below. If you're watching this video and you own a pool, I'm sure you've already got your mouse hovering over the buy button. But for those of you who may be new to pool ownership, let me explain why this is so cool. So we built a pool about 2 years ago, and I learned very quickly that cleaning said pool can be a major pain. It can be time consuming, hard to reach all different nooks and crannies, and just like a robot vacuum cleaner has totally changed the way we clean our house, this new breed of robot pool cleaners is totally changing the way we clean our pools, but many of them have 3 really big problems. No easy way to charge, no underwater control, and some just suck at sucking up the pool gunk. But the S2 Pro is solving every single one of these problems in ways that I hadn't seen before. So before I do a deep dive into my pool and the S2 Pro's cleaning power, I can tell you that the surface, this thing is a beast. So it is packing a massive 7,800 milliamp hour battery, 180 micrometer filter basket, 2-level filtration, and cotton foam for maximum cleaning efficiency. It works with all pool types, fiberglass, vinyl, ceramic tiles, and a ton more, and supports a cleaning area up to just a beastly size of 3,230 square feet. And while we know that all this is great, we're just kind of scratching the surface, literally. The real fun begins once the S2 Pro goes underwater and gets to work. So I gotta admit, watching the S2 Pro submerge itself into the water, it's like a submarine. Never gets old. And then seeing it do its thing can be kind of mesmerizing. I still can't believe this kind of tech actually works underwater. I'm from the age when water and tech did not go together. So while it is underwater, the S2 Pro is going to pick up all the gross stuff in your pool, leaves, twigs, hair, dust, all that stuff. And it can do it in a variety of ways with actually 7 different cleaning modes. You can have it just focus on the floor of your pool, or maybe just do the wall, or a variety, or combos of the two. You can toggle through these on the robot itself, or even better, everything is controlled right inside the companion app. What's also super cool, here, unlike any other pool cleaning robots, the S2 Pro can totally be controlled wirelessly even when it's underwater. Thanks to WYBOT's breakthrough in water Wi-Fi capabilities, something that I have never ever seen before on a pool cleaning robot. And besides the app, there are only 2 buttons you ever need to press on the dock. One that'll start and stop the cleaning, one that'll return the robot to the dock. And speaking of said dock, you probably noticed something unique about it. It's actually mounted inside of your pool. That means you basically got this seamless wireless charging experience. The S2 Pro can clean on its own, charge on its own, don't have to ever think about it. Not having to take this thing out of the pool to plug it in is a major win. A lot of these pool cleaning robots either have a little inflatable thing that pops up to pull it out, or they'll automatically take themselves to the edge of the pool. But you gotta get into the pool, pull it out, take it out, either manually move it onto a dock or plug it in. There's a lot of kind of onerous steps to get this to work. What's made robot vacuum so good is that they take care of all that themselves. They sort of squirrel themselves back in their dock, they charge themselves, and they're ready to go on their own when you need to. We've never seen that for pool cleaning robots until the S2 Pro. So look, if you own a pool, I don't have to explain to you why having a robot do this dirty work for you is an absolute game changer. And if you're looking for one with cutting edge tech, incredible cleaning power, maximum convenience, the S2 Pro from WYBOT will have you thinking the really important question, why didn't I get this sooner? If you want to learn more about WYBOT or the S2 Pro, all the information you need will be down in the description.